Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Kalshi. First, open a web browser on your phone or a laptop. Go to the official Kalshi website. Click on the official website. If it's your first time, Kalshi will ask you to sign up or create account. Enter your email address, create a password and confirm it. Then click continue and make sure you use an email you have access to. A Kalshi will send a verification email. Open your email box and click the verification link to continue setting up your account. Once verified, you can link your bank account. For that, tap on deposit cash. This allows you to deposit and withdraw money from Kalshi securely. After everything is approved, your account is ready to use. You can now deposit money and start trading on event. Only trade money can use or afford to lose. There are no guaranteed profit. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.